back, yeah, it's me. Surprised that I'm writing, well not really. I'm sitting at my computer just typing. Heard you were sick, would've found out last week had I called. But to be honest, I don't feel the least bad at all. Yeah, I know that sounds fucked up, but you made me like that. Look at my childhood, I can't believe you played me like that. You was never around, promises was all you was on. No child support, not as much as a call of my mom's. I went through nights with no dinner, looking bummy and skips. Couldn't go nowhere in school with no money for trips. Getting cracked on by honeys and shit, struggling. That's why I don't listen to your lectures on hustling, cause we had nothing. Stuck in the hood always, and you refer to the 80s as the good old days. Well, they wasn't for me, I guess things went all your way. But I ain't done, keep reading, I got more to say. I know this all seems abrasive, but look what I'm faced with. Missed opportunities, missed chances, missed places. I look at what others had, and I couldn't get basic. Deprived of so much, that's why I'm stuck with this hatred. I went through problem after problem, thinking you wouldn't care. All simply because you wasn't there. Just promised to visit and sorries couldn't redeem you. It probably would've been better if I never had seen you, cause then I wouldn't have a face to place with the lies and the disappointment that infected our lives. I guess that's why I'm so bothered now, and wanna hit a motherfucker saying you your father's child. So I gotta be keeping the faith for them 3 girls of mine, and I won't be repeating mistakes that you made with me, cause I don't miss my past. And every third Sunday in June, you can kiss my ass.
And I can feel it, and I can